Welcome to T6 TD News. I am Tejaswini.
Have contributed to the success of countries that have demonstrated good progress in manufacturing sector. In my opinion, sir, 5 significant impediments to the manufacturing sector growth are exorbitant cost of funds from our financial institutions, sir. High cost of power is the second such concern, sir. Delays associated with land procurement is the third concern, sir. Fourthly, sir, delay in complexity in grant of statutory clearances. And fifth, rigid labor laws. With respect to each of these hurdles, the state governments and the union government must take a deeper dive to understand the root cause and make a conscious effort to introduce reforms to mitigate these hurdles. To illustrate the difficulty emanating from one of the points stated above, sir, especially concerning exorbitant cost of funds from our financial institutions, sir, I'd like to convey that for building infrastructure, even the state government's undertakings avail loans from financial institutions like PFC and REC at higher rates of interest of approximately 10 to 11% interest rates, sir. If this is the difficulty faced by the public sector undertakings run by the state governments itself, then one can imagine the plight of the private sector, sir. With this enormous debt servicing requirement, our manufacturing units cannot hope to offer products that can compete with products of countries where debt is available at interest rates as low as 2 to 3%, sir. So is the case with power, which is available in a few countries at tariffs lower than rupees 3 per unit, sir. Sir, Andhra Pradesh government is committed to the vision of making Indian manufacturers globally competitive. In compliance and in synergetic with Government of India policy, we are encouraging performance-linked incentive schemes.
మరిన్ని అప్డేట్స్ కోసం లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి, బెల్ ఐకాన్ క్లిక్ చేయండి. మీడియా పార్ట్నర్ తెలంగాణ సోషల్ సర్వీస్ మరియు తెలంగాణ ఆర్య వైశ్య సమితి.